What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Myers Two-Stroke RC Garage. And today, guys, we got the Vesla on the ground, as you can see, and we got the 71 in it. And we're back for round 2 of a shakedown rip, so I can figure out the right gearing for this. And what I've done since last video, I had it all way too geared, way too high geared. The gearing is way too high. I backed it off 4 teeth, or 2 gear sets. So, anyways, the Vesla gearing is so totally different than a Baja. And I'm still learning it, so that's why I come out with a little bit higher gear than it probably should have had the last video. I ended up smoking my clutch and doing everything. So that being said, I did replace the clutch with one of my old ones, with one of my old, it had 2 old springs on it that I salvaged from other springs. So I don't even know if this is gonna make it past the first, blip or dig. So we're just gonna see what it goes, how it goes, and see what's going on with it. So let me get this thing fired up and I'll get you on my head. All right, let's go. Let's see what the gear change is like, guys. Still got a little bit too much gear, guys. Yeah, it's got a little bit too much gear in it yet, guys. We just broke another clutch spring. I didn't know if it was gonna last long, but hey, the gear held up again, and we know now that this ratio is still just a little bit too tall for it. And what I'm running right now, guys, is 2749, which is exactly opposite I was running last time. I was running 2947, where I'm running 2749s right now. And that still seems like just a little bit too much gear. So I'm gonna back it down probably another ratio or whatever. I got to see what I got in the shop as far as gears go, but this still is quite high for it. It seems like the clutch just isn't happy, and I don't. Well, the clutch is probably already not doing so healthy right now, and the springs are already, that's why the springs break, is because they get too hot, they stretch out. That might be what happened. But that's what happened on the last one. It didn't actually break a spring. They just stretched out, and they wouldn't you know, had no elasticity in them or whatever. They wouldn't bring the clutch back in, so to speak. So that might be what just happened again. So I'm out here, I'm trying to figure out a decent gear ratio for this. It's not like, you know, there's not a whole lot of these things out there that people are running 71 Supremes in, so it's kind of like new territory I'm treading on. So if anybody has any ideas, you know, as far as gearing, make sure you leave a comment in the comments section, guys. And with that being said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, like, do all that stuff, guys, and we will see you in the next one.